Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Primetime English News with me, Chongtham Amrita. First, the headlines. Manipur observes 55th Statehood Day in the presence of Manipur Governor and state officials at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground organized by the government. And despite no comments on ongoing Manipur crisis, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends greetings on Manipur Statehood Day. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. 55th Statehood Day of Manipur was celebrated today at 1st MR Parade Ground, Imphal, with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla as the chief guest. The function was also attended by Manipur's security advisor, DGP and other senior officials. The governor took the salute from 22 contingents, including 8 band contingents, during March past parade. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla stating that the day marks the collective struggle of the state's people, he emphasized that achieving statehood within the Indian Union reflects constitutional empowerment and greater self-governance opportunities, while emphasizing the need for mutual respect and peace. The governor stressed the crucial importance of protecting the state's identity, upholding democratic values and unity with self-governance. He also expressed confidence that peace and communal harmony will enhance the state's development and success.
Statehood reflects the democratic ideal of governance of the people, for the people and by the people. It empowers the people in reaffirming Manipur's identity, democratic values and collective responsibility to ensure justice, unity and development for all. The development of the state can flourish when there is stability and trust among ourselves. Each one of us, especially our youth, has a vital role in nation building through discipline, hard work, innovation and a commitment to public good. The state has produced outstanding achievers in sports, arts, science, civil services, defense and public life, earning national and international recognition. The year 2025, the visits of Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable President of India to the state have reaffirmed the nation's strong commitment to Manipur's development, peace and constitutional values. During the Honorable Prime Minister's visit, several flagship projects and national initiatives were inaugurated or further advanced, marking a new phase in Manipur's development journey. Education and youth development have received renewed momentum through initiatives such as expansion of Eklavya model residential schools, skill development under the Skill India mission, and PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana and new opportunities for startups and technology-based industries through the IT Special Economic Zone in Manipur. The Honorable President of India's visit in 2025 carried a profound message of constitutional values, unity and inclusive development.
Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla hoisted the national flag at the revered site of Kangla at Nongpok Torban today. Organized by Home Department, the monumental national flag hoisting ceremony was also attended by Assam Rifles IGAR South Major General Ravrup Singh and top officials of the state administration. Speaking on the sideline, Major General Ravrup Singh remarked that the ceremony marks as a profound commitment towards nation building, calling it a highly befitting tribute to the spirit of the state. He applauded the rich and diverse culture of Manipur, specifically highlighting the immense contributions of its athletes in bringing pride to the national flag. Noting that the state boasts the highest number of officers per capita in the Indian Army, he commended Manipur's legacy of producing some of the nation's finest and most distinguished veterans. He added that the installation of this monumental flag serves as a lasting tribute to the heroic contributions from the soil of Manipur.
Manipur state has such a rich and diverse culture. Sportsmen of the state have done the country proud. The soldiers from the state have done the country proud. We have got the largest number of officers per capita from the state of Manipur in the Indian Army, and other CAPF have done such a credible job. Some of the highest number of gallantry awards have been won by the soldiers from the Manipur state. What better way to recognize on this occasion to install a monumental flag, and for that purpose I take this opportunity to thank the Flag Foundation of India for selecting this as a venue, Manipur state as a venue for installing its 200th flag. Thank you very much.
Despite no comments on the ongoing Manipur crisis, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Statehood Day. In his message, he highlighted the rich cultural heritage, sporting legacy and historical significance of the state in India's freedom struggle. The Prime Minister recalled that Manipur was the first place where Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's Azad Hind Fauj unfurled the tricolour and noted that Mount Harriet in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands was renamed Mount Manipur as a tribute to the state's sacrifices. Emphasizing the centre's commitment to the Northeast under the Act East, Act Fast policy, Modi said Manipur has witnessed accelerated development since 2014 with increased central assistance and implementation of flagship schemes like PM Kisan, Jan Dhan Yojana and Ayushman Bharat. He also emphasized major infrastructure initiatives including rail, airport and highway projects, along with improvements in healthcare, education, skilling and women empowerment. The Prime Minister lauded Manipur's contribution to sports, calling the establishment of the country's first national sports university in the state a matter of pride. Appreciating the efforts of Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla in promoting development, Modi reaffirmed the centre's unwavering support for peace, progress and inclusive growth in Manipur. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Kasham Megachandra extended warm greetings on Manipur Statehood Day. He emphasized that attaining statehood is a milestone in Manipur's journey, strengthening democratic governance, safeguarding the state's identity and empowering people to shape their destiny. The MPCC President also wished for collective commitment to unity, peace and inclusive development while underscoring the importance of preserving cultural heritage and traditions. Transport Department, Government of Manipur has announced a recommissioning of interstate bus terminus ISBT Kumanlampak Imphal with regular bus services on multiple routes starting from January 22. According to an official press release issued on Tuesday, the services will operate from ISBT Kumanlampak and cover routes including Imphal None, Imphal Tamenglong, Imphal Ukrul, Imphal Kamjong, Imphal Wabagay, Imphal Sugnu, Imphal Yangang Pokpi, Imphal Chandel, Imphal to Leisangthem, Imphal Moirang, Imphal Kakching and Imphal to Yairipok. Passengers have been advised to board buses only from the ISBT and to book tickets exclusively through electronic ticketing machines, ETMs available with conductors or via the official website and mobile application Starbus Manipur. The release added that for queries and complaints, the public may contact Manager MST at 8787546522. Forest Department's Directorate of Environment and Climate Change and Loktak Development Authority have initiated the annual Asian Water Bus Census at Loktak Lake today. The census was officially launched by Chief Conservator of Forests Longjam Joy Kumar. On the first day, the department's officials conducted survey at 50 locations in Loktak and Tangjeng areas including Laisoi and Takmu. During the census, Joy Kumar also released a rescued Hongai bird. He highlighted the presence of water birds as a requisite indicator for determining a wetland's health, citing criteria that include the presence of at least 20,000 water birds in a year. The forest conservator further stressed the need for collective efforts to conserve Loktak Lake and other water bodies in the state. Meanwhile, Manipur Bird Club Vice President K. Jugeshwar appealed to tourists visiting the lake to refrain from using loudspeakers, littering, and using engine boats.
Population estimation sidagi ekoina masigi figures analysis taruga ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯇꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯨꯡꯄꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯕꯐꯦꯂꯣ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯋꯥꯏꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁꯦꯡꯆꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯡꯂꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯙꯥꯟ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁꯦꯡꯆꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯃꯨꯞꯃꯦꯟꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯖꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛꯋꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯌꯦꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯂꯤꯍꯨꯗꯀꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯐꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ
ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯁꯤꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯊꯛꯆꯤꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯅꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦꯕꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔ ꯊꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯣꯡꯉ ꯆꯠꯂꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔ ꯄꯥꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯅꯤ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯧꯖꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯗ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯇꯣꯔ ꯕꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯇꯣꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯣꯖꯦꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯕ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯕꯨꯜ ꯂꯝꯖꯥꯎ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯕꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ
Security forces and Manipur police apprehended 4 insurgents belonging to different proscribed outfits in separate operations across the state on January 20. An active cadre of KCP-PSC identified as Sanjay Bosco Meitei, alias Tamba, 25 years, of Nongreng Mamang Laikai under Lamlai police station was arrested from Nongada Makhalaikai area in Imphal East district, and a mobile phone was seized from his possession. In another operation, a self-styled corporal of Pripak VC, Kangjam Milan Meitei, alias Somendro, alias number 1, alias Ibungo, 33 years, of Sekmaijin Kuno, Kangjum, under Hyanglam Police Station, Kakjing District, presently residing at Saombung Wairi, Imphal East District, was arrested from his residence with a mobile phone recovered from him. Meanwhile, Manipur police arrested an active cadre of NSC and IM, identified as Lanhungba Kumba, 29 years, from Mantri Pukri area under Haingang Police Station, Imphal East District, and recovered a .32 pistol with a magazine loaded with 4 live rounds, 2 mobile phones and a charger, and a black Pulsar N160 two-wheeler without registration number from his possession. In another case, security forces arrested an active cadre of KCP PWG identified as Leishangtem Hiran Singh, 40 years, of Kautruk Ching Laikai under Lamsang Police Station, Imphal West District, from his residence, and seized a mobile phone and an Aadhaar card from him. Security forces in Manipur successfully neutralized 3 improvised explosive devices, IEDs, along the sensitive Indo-Myanmar border in January 19, averting potential threat to both security personnel and civilians. The explosives were detected and destroyed in situ during an intensive area domination and sanitization operation conducted near border pillars 72 to 73. Acting on heightened vigilance, the forces carried out systematic sweep of the area, leading to recovery of the concealed IEDs. Officials stated that the operation was part of the ongoing efforts to prevent cross-border infiltration and sabotage in the strategically important region. Surveillance and patrolling along the frontier have been further intensified to ensure stability and maintain peace. Manipur Traffic Control Police Wing has announced special traffic regulations for 77th Republic Day celebrations on 26 January and full dress rehearsals on 24th January at Kangla. The rules will be effective from 6:30 a.m. until the conclusion of the events. Southern Gate of Kangla has been designated for authorized personnel with parking at the helipad, while general public may enter on foot through the Western Gate, with roadside parking available between Johnson School and BT Park. Diversions have been planned across main routes to ease congestion, including Lilong, Moirangkong Mayang Imphal Road, Koirengay Imphal East, Uripok Kangchib Road, New Kashar Road, Tidim Road, Koyatong, Kumalampak and MMTA. Restrictions will not apply to emergency and authorized vehicles. Authorities have urged commuters to plan their journeys in advance and cooperate with traffic personnel to ensure smooth conduct of the celebrations. Now let's take a short break and we'll return with more news updates. Stay tuned.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. Let's continue with more news updates. The Proscribed Coordination Committee, CORCOM, has called for boycott of India's Republic Day on January 26, urging residents of Manipur to stay indoors and refrain from participating in any celebrations. In a press release, CORCOM claimed that Republic Day observance grips Manipur in its fist and reiterated its stance that Manipur became a constitutional democratic nation-state in 1947. The group alleged that India violated Manipur's right to self-determination and forcibly annexed the state on October 15, 1949. The release also accused India of maintaining military outposts in the state and enforcing AFSPA under Article 34 of the Constitution. CORCOM linked the ongoing ethnic violence since May 3, 2023 to attempts by the Indian state to create divisions among communities, citing actions by Kuki armed groups under the Sioux Agreement. As part of the protest, CORCOM has announced an 18-hour shutdown from midnight of January 25 until 6 p.m. on January 26. Essential services, including medical emergencies, have been exempted. On the other hand, proscribed group, the Socialist Revolutionary Party SOREPA, has imposed a total shutdown on January 26 from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. to boycott India's Republic Day. In the statement, the SOREPA's Publicity and Organization Secretary, MC Yaifabi, appealed to the public to refrain from participating in or watching the celebrations, stating that the people of Kanglipak, Manipur, and Westia region have no connection with it. Continuing that essential services, health and media are exempt from the shutdown, it added that the outfit also endorses similar protests in Westia region, including Kashmir, Khalistan and Manipur. The statement urged the different communities in the state to strive for unity, mutual respect and progress by making independence a common goal. It further emphasized that the culture, identity, social structure and economy of the communities in Manipur have been eroding since it was allegedly annexed by India. SOREPA also accused the government of India for deliberately fueling bloodshed among the communities and created a rift between the hills and valley to serve its interests while calling for united efforts to counter these attempts. Joint Action Committee JAC against the brutal killing of Oinam Ningo Thoibi has resolved to expel all those involved in the murder of Thoibi as well as those providing them shelter from the locality. In a press release, the JAC informed that it was formed during an emergency public meeting at Aikoigi Club Singjamay Oinam Thingal yesterday. It further stated that the public meeting resolved to cooperate with police in the investigation. It may be mentioned that 78-year-old Thoibi was found brutally murdered inside her residence yesterday with her throat slit and multiple stabbing marks on the face and body. As part of National Road Safety Month 2026, District Transport Officer DTO Kakching Yumkham Pritam urged citizens to adopt a responsible road behavior to curb accidents and fatalities, stressing that accidents are rarely accidental but the result of choices like overspeeding, riding without helmets or using mobile phones while driving. Speaking during an enforcement cum awareness drive, he emphasized that Fines do not save lives, or safe behavior does. While distributing road safety materials such as reflective belts, pamphlets on the 10 golden rules of road safety and reflective tapes for commercial vehicles. The DTO appealed to parents to prevent underage driving, reminded riders to wear helmets properly, and urged all highway users to respect speed limits, noting rising safety concerns on National Highway 102 due to increased vehicular speeds. He concluded with a call for a collective responsibility, urging citizens to respect the roads and return home safely with the message, "Drive safe, Kakching." The inaugural Manipur Border Trail Run 1.0 Operation Sadbhavana concluded on Tuesday at Chakpikarong Football Ground in Chandel District with over 1,000 participants aged 7 to 75 taking part. Organized by 17 Assam Rifles in collaboration with the District Sports Association Chandel, Cookie Students Association Chandel and Chakpikarong Subdivisional Sporting Association, the event comprised 3 race categories: 14 km to Young Grizzly Run, 8 km to Young Deer Dash, and 5 km Chakpir Rabbit Run, with divisions for open senior and AR personnel. Brigadier Pranav Prasoon of DIG 28th Sector Assam Rifles praised the participants for promoting fitness, health and peace and encouraged continuation of such events. Pro MMA fighter Chungreng Koren and Miss Chakpi 2026 Kemi Bungsong also attended the event and distributed prizes. Winners of 14 km open category included KH Zabit Hussain and Baby Vainaithing, while Mohammad Rashid Khan and Christina topped the 8 km open category. Benjamin Sankil and Sinruwong Ningxingring emerged victorious respectively in the 5 km Chakpir Rabbit Run open categories. Winners were also announced across senior, AR personnel and youth categories. Chandel SP Dharmendra Kumar and President of the SATS Chamna Annal were present during the closing ceremony. Hairok Constituency MLA Dr. Thokchom Radheshyam emphasized the importance of making schools a welcoming and enjoyable environment for students while speaking as a chief guest at the 38th Foundation Day of KM Blooming Higher Secondary School held at a school campus. The event was attended by SKTV editor Raj Nongthombam, founder cum chairman KH Menjor Mangang and many others. Dr. Radheshyam highlighted the need for teachers, parents and the school management committee to understand why some students are reluctant to attend school, stressing that students are like soft clay and must be guided with love, care and patience rather than pressure. He appealed to all stakeholders to nurture students properly, shaping them to become future pillars of society. The celebration comprised various cultural performances and simple gifts were presented to students who excelled in board and council examinations to encourage their achievements.
Swami Vivekananda Maharaj akanma matik magul leiba aphava ting law jati ama sem ge haragadi maduru leiba mi singlo education review hai adu ngasi akoi gi Manipur da Tongan government and private school institution singna apaba mati magun leiba jati ama aduma bharat ki jati ama amari Manipur gi khunai ma sem na hona da asa uba daita kayama role kayam logi.
Biramangal College Sawambung observed its 53rd Foundation Day at the college premises along with inauguration of the main gate of the college. The program was attended by Biramangal College Principal in Charge Dr. A. Jivanlata, Chemistry Department's DDO and HOD Dr. K. Brajkumar, Biramangal College Academic in Charge and Raj Mohan, BCTA President L. Shamsundar, IQAC Coordinator Dr. C.H. Ghanajit, BMC Alumni Association President L. Romesh Mitei, and Physics Department Assistant Professor and HOD Rajkumar Jogendra Kumar as main dignitaries, while also attended by college staff, students and former members of governing body. Speaking on the occasion, Principal in Charge Dr. A. Jibanlata said that the college has been serving for the past 5 decades and termed it as a remarkable feat. She mentioned that its faculty and staff had worked tirelessly to provide higher education to cater to the students of this area. Regarding the inauguration of the college main gate, she said, that despite limited funds, the college administration prioritized construction, keeping in mind its safety, while also noting that several structures will be constructed in due time. Former members of the governing council and representatives of the student body were felicitated as the main function during the program. Emphasizing the need for modern teaching approaches, Dr. Jonas Richard A., professor and life skills coach at Christ Jayanti Academy, Bangalore, said 19th century methods cannot shape 21st century children during a two-day professional development program for teachers at Don Bosco institutions at Don Bosco Church campus, Sangakpam. The program was attended by around 80 to 90 teachers from Don Bosco Longjing and Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Chingmero. It focused on educators' mindset, collaborative excellence, and strengthening school branding through teachers. Dr. Jonas lauded the school's commitment to innovative classroom management and student-focused initiatives and praised Principal Father Hans Ignace for his guidance, highlighting that such efforts ensure students receive quality, value-based education and holistic development to meet 21st century challenges. Liang Mai Naga Baptist Association Manipur LNBAM commenced its 5th Youth Conference at Tharon Baptist Church yesterday, bringing together over 3,000 members from 70 churches across the state. Under the theme Be the Light, the 5-day summit is designed to foster spiritual growth and encourage the youth to become catalysts for peace and stability in the region. The conference features a vibrant showcase of Liang Mai culture, including traditional events, music, handicraft exhibitions, and poetry competitions. Beyond the festivities, the LNBAM Youth Department issued a sincere appeal to all stakeholders to refrain from calling any blockades or disruptions during the event, ensuring that the participants can gather in a spirit of harmony and focused development. All Manipur Meitei Pangal Clubs Organization Ampako Headquarter and Ampako Kelakong Branch, in association with Amuko, distributed gifts to over 100 elderly persons at Kelakong Mayay Laikai today. The program was attended by Amuko Vice President Koijam Helen, Ampako Advisor Yumkaibam Hayatur Rahman, Ampako President Mirai Mayum Salamat Ali, and Ampako Kelakong Branch President Muhammad Abdul Latif as Presidium members. Speaking on the occasion, Salamat Ali said that aged and elderly persons deserve to be honored for their lifetime of contributions in society, and this initiative was a small step towards it. Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MCACS, in collaboration with Center for Rural Upliftment Service, CRUS, Tawal Wang Mataba, organized a one-day free medical camp at Arambay Tengol Unit 4 campus located at Kangabok. Volunteers of Arambay Tengol assisted at the free medical camp conducted under the aegis of National AIDS Control Society, NACO. More than 100 individuals reaped the benefits of the medical camp, where screening for HIV, VDRL, blood glucose, and OSD were facilitated. Manipuri Students Federation MSF conducted its ongoing drug use prevention campaign, Aikoi Mayai Kaba Drug Thadok Lashi, at P. Namjoklung High School today. MSF volunteers, including Vice President Ayekpa Zimba, Assistant Games and Sports Secretary Thaunagjam Alex, and Assistant Publicity Secretary Prakash Maibam, along with teachers and students, stuck posters on the school walls as part of the campaign. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lumphelpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 23.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 6.2 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 89% in the morning and 36% in the evening. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes 55th Statehood Day in the presence of Manipur Governor and state officials at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground organized by the government. And despite no comments on ongoing Manipur crisis, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends greetings on Manipur Statehood Day. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.